Interested in getting one or more AWS certifications, but not sure how and where to start? This video will help you to get your first AWS certification in 30 days. I hold 5 AWS certifications, including 2 professional level. When people come to know, I constantly receive inquiries about how to prepare, where to start with, which certification to choose, and how to find resources, etc. etc. So here is the video which will guide you how to get AWS certified. Again, this is not the full-fledged exam preparation course covering all technical topics. This is more like overview of the exam before you start exploring AWS certifications. In this free introductory course, I will be covering why to get AWS certification, what are the different certification paths or levels, where to start, why we need to start with AWS Certified Solution Architect Associate, where to find the exam blueprint, what are the exam objectives and domains, where to find the best paid and free resources available online, how to plan and schedule your preparation, how to master required exam domains, and what AWS services you should focus on. Before we start, let me introduce myself. I am Premraj Jayaprakash. I go by Raj. Have been working in IT for over 20 years, mainly on AWS Cloud and DevOps domains. Currently, I work as a practice lead for Cloud and DevOps in one of the leading system integrator and software service organization. I hold 5 AWS certifications, including professional level in Solution Architect and DevOps Engineer. Also, I am the founder of AWS Pro.Academy. AWS Pro.Academy provides affordable online live classes conducted by AWS certified professionals, including me. Our exam preparation classes are designed to ensure that you pass the AWS certification exam on the first try. Please check out AWS Pro.Academy for more information. If you'd like to receive sample exam questions and exam tips, please sign up our newsletter at signup.awspro.academy. Also, please feel free to connect with me on LinkedIn. My LinkedIn ID is Premraj J. Okay, enough about me. Let's move on to your AWS certification journey.